Good day everyone. Today I will be tackling about circular function. So example number 1, negative 150. So we have the reference 30 degree. Into getting the 30 degree, so let's see in the here example. So we have 30 degree. In our quadrant, we have 3. Then our greatest negative, so negative 360 add by the negative 150, so the result is negative 512. So greatest positive. In greatest positive, we have a 360 degree plus negative 150. So the result is 210. To get the degree or pi, the result is, to get the degree or pi, we have to solve. So 150 degree times pi over 180 is equals to negative 5 pi over 6. So our sign, since our reference is 30 degrees, so our sign is negative 1/2 because it is the quadrant is number 3. So we have cosine negative 3 over 2, tangent square root of 3 over 2, cotangent square root 2, and then cosine CSCR negative 2, and then the next is a negative 2 square root of 3 over 3, and then our coordinates we have negative square root 3 over 2 and negative 1 over 2. So next we have example number 2, negative 5 pi over 4. So our reference 45 degree, and our quadrant is quadrant 3, and then same process, we have our degree is negative 225 because negative 5 pi over 4 times 180 over pi. So we have to cancel pi, so divide 100 into 4, which is 100 divided 4, then times into negative 5, the result will be negative 225. So that's why we're going to find the degree or pi. So next, our sign is, since our reference is 45 degree, so we have square root of 2 over 2, then our cosine square root of 2 over 2, then our cotangent, we have negative 1, and tangent negative 1, and our CSC is equals to square root of 2, and then negative square root of 2, and then our coordinates negative square root 2 over 2, and then square root of 2 over 2.